How to factory data reset on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on power icon and click on power off. After click on power off, so wait just 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, insert cable, and after insert cable, so just click and hold on power button and volume up button at the time. After just click and hold on volume up button and power button, you will see click on web data factory set, and after and click on this power button and scroll down and you will see factory data reset. So if you want to reset factory data, and click on volume down button and you will see factory data reset is here. So if you want to reset factory data, so now click on this power button. After click on this power button, you will see factory data reset is start, and after the process just click and hold power button and you will see your phone is reset. So that's how you can reset factory data on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.